Everybody, Toby here again with 216 Auto Restoration and the GMC Suburban 1972 and my dog Digger. A Digger. Anyways, I've been pulling some of the trim off and replacing these panels here. I got this rear quarter replaced around the wheel well and got the rocker installed. And it came out pretty good. Of course, these panels I ordered from AMD, they said for Suburban, but actually they didn't fit. So all of this had to be made and fabricated because they came down like this, not like the Suburban that went straight down and then over. The panels went like this. So if you buy these panels for a Suburban, just make sure that you know you're gonna have to modify them to get them to fit. It's coming along pretty good. I got this side done in about a week, I guess it's been, running in and out and doing whatever. Of course, I pulled the tank out again. About the 5th or 6th time I've had that tank out of this vehicle. Put this area back here. It's been wrecked before, you can see. I'm gonna replace all of this in here. And of course, back in here, look at the rust back in here, up in there. And this panel was completely gone. This one right here, just got it tacked in right now, and I'm trying to form these pieces here to cover up this spot. Yeah, you can see that. It's a mess. And just a tiny bit of rust there. LOL. But I already got all the spot welds busted loose on this, all the way down to the rocker here. I've got another rocker for that up there also. That we'll be replacing pretty soon. And we'll be pulling the windows and all the trim on this side also, and we'll be sanding it here pretty soon. Get it ready for some paint here sometime in the future. But there you go, a little progress on the Suburban. Got me some new fun little toys to play with. I'm gonna do a video on them here pretty soon. My shrinker and stretcher, my brake and my English wheel. Show you how those things work, or at least how I think they work. But yeah, everybody, thank you if you are watching, if anybody's watching these videos anymore. Not many people, but anyways. Thank you if you are watching. Give me a thumbs up or like if you like them. If not, just remember, sanding really sucks. Yes, it does. GMC Suburban, 1972. Not very many of these things out there are on the road anymore. But this one will be. It's enough to fit all my grandkids, my dog, and me and my wife. And go watch Christmas lights. Anyways, everybody or anybody that's watching, thank you and take care.